Most people push contrast globally and wonder why images fall apart. Professionals use luminosity masks. This technique allows you to target highlights, midtones, and shadows independently, based on brightness values rather than selections. In this tutorial, we explain how luminosity masks let you shape contrast without clipping detail. You will learn why brightness-based isolation is superior to curves alone and how subtle contrast sculpting creates depth without harsh transitions. This approach is essential for high-end landscape, architecture, and cinematic edits. Once you see how controlled contrast feels, global sliders will feel amateur. Watch closely. This technique trains your eye as much as your workflow.